Alright guys, this is another Euro cylinder. It's a single, one that UCOF sent me. This is 17A, which is Susan Sarandon's serrated sensation. As I understand it, this is basically the same layout as the spool version, but with serrated pins instead. So I have undone the key now, so that's what it looks like. This is a working lock. I don't have a great deal of experience with serrated pins. As I understand it, you kind of just go up and down the stack and try and, yeah, you go up and down the stack, and so the pins just give you a little more each time. I'm trying to hide that gross finger. Can't, sorry. Okay, let's start at the back. A little bit on 5. 3. Pin 2. Nothing out of that one. Pin 1. Start again at the back. More out of 5. 4, nothing. Sure I'm right on 3. A bit too much tension, I think. Okay, let's try pin 2. Nothing again. Sure I'm actually on pin 1 now. Nothing. Okay, up to the back. 5's given all it can. Okay, 2. It's got only 2 or 3. No, we got 2. 1. That's it. Yeah, as I thought, really, just a case of going up and down the pins and getting as much as you can out of them each time. Yeah, another really good fun lot, that. Thanks to John for sending me that, really appreciate it, and thank you for watching.